Good afternoon, friends. Today we are still reading from Magic Tree House Afternoon on the Amazon. And we read chapter 1 yesterday. In chapter 1, we were introduced to our main characters, Jack and Annie. And we learned that they are on a mission. And they have to find 3 more things for the magical, mysterious Morgan. We read chapter 1 yesterday. We're going to pick up today with chapter 2. The chapter title is called Big Bugs. So now I'm wondering, the big bugs, are they already in the Amazon? Is this the chapter where Jack and Annie are transported to the Amazon and that's where the big bugs are? I'm wondering what's going to happen in this chapter. Let's read together and see. Wow, said Jack, picking up the book. The ninja book was open yesterday. Now this one. Who opened them? Jack closed the book and looked at the cover. It showed a picture of a green forest. The trees were very tall and close together. On the cover were the words, "The Rainforest." Oh, wow, said Jack. Oh, no, said Annie. What's wrong, said Jack. I learned about the rainforest in school, said Annie. It's filled with big bugs and spiders. I know, said Jack. Half of them have never even been named. It's creepy, said Annie. It's neat, said Jack. He wanted to take lots of notes in the rainforest. Maybe he could even name some unknown bugs. Neat? Yuck, said Annie. She shivered. I don't get it, said Jack. You weren't afraid of dinosaurs. So? You weren't afraid of the castle guards or the mummy's ghost. So? You weren't afraid of pirates or ninjas. So? You're not afraid of really scary things, but you're afraid of little bugs and spiders? That doesn't make sense. So? Jack sighed. Listen, he said, we have to go there to help Morgan. That's why the book was left open. I know that, said Annie, frowning. Plus, the rainforests are being cut down, said Jack. Don't you want to see one before it's too late? Annie took a deep breath and slowly nodded. Oh, okay then, let's go, said Jack. He opened the book again. He pointed to a picture that showed blue sky, green leaves, and bright flowers. I wish we could go there, he said. The wind began to blow. Squeak! Stay here, Peanut, said Annie as she put the mouse in her pocket. The wind picked up. The tree house started to spin. Jack squeezed his eyes shut. The wind was whistling now. The tree house was spinning faster and faster. Then everything was still, absolutely still. Wild sounds broke the silence. Screech! Buzz! Chirp, chirp. So, Jack and Annie are in the treehouse, and the treehouse is being transported to the Amazon rainforest. So, did you figure out why this chapter was called Big Bugs? I think I did. We learned in this chapter that the main character, Jack, is afraid of bugs, right? So I think that's where the author got the title for this chapter. When they go to the rainforest, bugs are going to be something that there's going to be plenty of. There's lots of insects in the Amazon rainforest. Tomorrow, we're going to read chapter 3, which is called Yikes. Sounds like something scary is going to happen in this chapter. Stay tuned for our read aloud tomorrow of chapter 3.